Right everyone, here we are in wonderful Taiwan, in the southern part of Tainan, in a place called Amping. And what we're going to do is we're going to investigate some of the streets here, because there's some magnificent streets. They've got some really dubious engineered contraptions that make food. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go and have a look around and see what we can find that makes for interesting eating. Dubiously engineered food. Cool. Cheers. So this machine is super cool. It's a shrimp cracker making machine. How do you say shrimp crackers in Chinese?
Shabi.
Shabi. And so what they do is they mix tapioca powder and shrimp that have been peeled, and then they put them together in this little machine here, which squishes them and pressurizes them all at the same time. They expand inside that cavity, and then when the cavity opens, it releases it into the wild with a bang. It's really quite cool. Right, challenge on. Me and Pete eating stinky tofu. Here it goes.
Can't wait for it, bring it on.
Alright. So, hang on, I thought we were getting the fried tofu. This isn't fried tofu.
But you say soup.
Oh. Wow. So this isn't stinky tofu then?
No.
Yeah, it's stinky tofu too.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay, right.
So I told you. You filming this? Hot temperature or hot spicy?
Not spicy.
It's spicy.
It's alright. It's just having a load of pepper. Little by little. I'll get there in the end.
It's good, right?
It's smelly. It's definitely smelly. It's not the stinkiest stinky tofu I've ever had. 我可以肖像吗？ OK 啊，好，谢谢啊。哇，好棒啊！ So what are they making here then?
She is making egg roll.
Okay. What are the ingredients for egg roll?
I think the flour, egg, butter.
Okay.
Okay.
OK， 我要卖一个东西。
这个新鲜的 fresh original。
哦，好的，好。
原味。
好，谢谢啊，谢谢你。
谢谢。
4块啊，好，谢谢你。
中文非常棒。
Oh, pretty good. 好吃，好吃，谢谢啊，哈。Okay, so what's this called then?
大手烧.
So this is a Japanese way of using a batter to compress shrimp in hot plates and make like a pancake. So the batter's made out of what, eggs and flour, something along those lines, sort of traditional batter. And anyway, so some various different seasonings go into this, and these are about sort of £3 for a sheet. But what's really interesting is literally everything goes in there, as in, you know, the whole shrimp. The shrimp isn't peeled or anything like that first. It's just thrown in whole. So what are we eating here then?
Barbecue.
Okay, and so this works. It's quite interesting because it's like a bicycle chain that sits in here, and the skewers have little cogs on them, and what's happening is the bicycle chain is automatically rotating the skewers that you've pre-purchased with all of their bits and pieces fastened onto them. So this is a soup that we had for our wedding, which has got fish and vegetables and shrimp and coriander, and it's quite a sort of thick soup, and it goes with noodles. It tasted absolutely delicious. My question is, why did we need and have so much of that soup?
Well, tell us about it then.
DuB-EnG.
Okay, what is it?
A kind of the noodle.
Okay.
You can take a look here.
Oh. Made from wheat?
I have no idea.
As always, thanks ever so much for watching Dubious Engineering. I hope this has been interesting and educational, and look forward to the next one. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and give us a good old thumbs up, and perhaps pop a comment or two in down below. Take care. Thanks ever so much. Have a wonderful week. Cheers for now. Bye.
Bye.